Brother, listen up. That urge, that endless scroll, it's quietly stealing your power, your focus, your future. Lust doesn't destroy you in one day. It drains you slowly until you're weak, distracted, and stuck in the same loop. But here's the truth. You don't have to fight it with empty willpower. You destroy it by replacing it with something stronger. Here are 10 powerful hobbies that will channel your energy, build unbreakable discipline, and turn you into the man you're meant to be. First, strength training. Lift heavy. Transform that sexual fire into raw physical power. Boost your testosterone, crush stress, and watch your confidence explode. Second, martial arts. Learn to stay calm under pressure. Turn aggression into skill and discipline. Every punch teaches you control. Third, woodworking. Create with your hands. Build something real. It kills instant gratification and gives you pride that no screen can match. Fourth, rock climbing. One wrong move and you fall. It forces total presence. Master your mind or pay the price. Fifth, archery. Breathe, pause, focus. It trains patience and precise action instead of reacting to every urge. Sixth, bushcraft and rucking. Get out in nature, carry the weight, push your limits, reset your brain, and toughen up against soft, modern life. Seventh, chess. Train your brain like a gym. Think 10 moves ahead. Analyze consequences before you act. Eighth, gardening. Plant today, harvest later. Nothing teaches delayed gratification better than watching something grow slowly. Ninth, musical mastery. Pick an instrument and commit. Pour your frustration into art. Your mind gets so full of growth, there's no room left for intrusive thoughts. 10th, public speaking. Turn nervous energy into unstoppable confidence. Speak, lead, and earn real respect in the real world. The secret? Action is the foundation of discipline. Don't just watch this. Pick one hobby today and commit to it every single day for the next 30 days. In 1 month, your energy will return. Your focus will sharpen. Your life will change. Stop feeding the addiction. Start building the warrior. Victory belongs to those who fight. Now go make 2026 the year you finally win.